What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. I was not planning on vlogging today, but we got a little special surprise. The tires are finally in. I really wanted to actually plan a vlog for this when it happens, but it actually came in early. If you guys are wondering why we have 3 tires, because we kind of had a little situation with shipping. It was not Tire Rack's fault. Again, shout out to Tire Rack though. You guys are actually the only ones that pulled through in shipping the tires. But last week, Tire Rack sent me 1 tire and I was like, okay, what's going on? Where's the other one? So I guess because of like the winter cold front, or I think that's what it's called, but the winter weather was just really bad. So one of the tires got lost or stuck in Tennessee, which is where the other tire came from. Since I called Tire Rack this past week, because they said that the tire was supposed to come in on Monday, which didn't come in, the person that I talked to, they were like, oh, we'll just send you another one. But apparently 2 of them came out at the same time, and now I have 3 front tires, but I'll be sending 1 back. If I can lift this with 1 hand, because this is pretty heavy. But we are running 345 30s in the back, 295 35s in the front. These things are going to be massive. If you guys go back to like my really old like first videos back when I had the Advan GT wheels with the Toyo R888Rs, those were 325s, and these rears are like nearly 2 hand size widths. Now here's the dilemma. I really want to get the wheels mounted to the new tires, but unfortunately I don't have a truck. So I think what I'm gonna be doing is, one, obviously the garage is a little messy and don't mind the laundry in the back, but I want to get everything all kind of clean, I guess. We got the rear interior still sitting out on the side of the house. Side skirts are over here. You guys know that I took off the wide body fenders. A lot of y'all have been saying, I even posted it on my TikTok, should I go Frankenstein or should I go with actual wide body fenders on it? I said a few videos back that I want to go Frankenstein, but now that I think of it, I don't know if they're gonna allow me to do that. I still can't believe that the one that got lost ended up coming the same time as this one, because every day I kept tracking where one of, or I guess like the missing one was, and it still said that it was in Tennessee, but both of these ended up here in Hawaii, and now I have 3 tires. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, from what I understand, these are the upgraded version of the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. The 4S and the Super Sports are basically like good all-season tires. I guess this is the newer version of the Super Sports. And if anybody wants to buy Black Edition Nissan GTR wheels, 255 fronts, 285s rears, they're for sale. The reason why I was hoping that the tires were gonna come in on Monday was because weather here in Hawaii has been ridiculous. Like the flooding, especially up on the North Shore, is like really bad. The other night, I work in town in Waikiki. Literally, like there's a video online where you can see like couple thunder strikes and then boom, the whole, like, well, not the whole, but like half of Waikiki's electricity just went out like that. So to say, this is kind of like our winter season where it's just dumping and pouring rain, but it's already March. Usually this happens around like February, January. So global warming, I don't know. If you guys are in Hawaii, I hope you guys are all doing okay. If you guys are not from Hawaii, please keep Hawaii in you guys' prayers. Hopefully we're not gonna be flooding for the rest of the weekend and hopefully onto next week. But now that we have the tires in, you know what that means, guys? We are 1 step closer to getting this hair cut off. I wish I could record the times where Rhea keeps telling me that I need to cut my hair. She keeps telling me like, yo, your hair's starting to look like your dad. Even like all my friends and my relatives, they're like, Lance, cut your damn hair already. It's too damn long and you're starting to look like your dad. So we are 1 more step away. So I guess the plan is to have the tires mounted front and rear, get one of these shipped back out to Tire Rack because I don't want to get charged another, what, $500 just for 1 tire. But we're gonna have both tires, or all tires, set up, mounted, balanced, everything on the wheels. If you guys haven't seen the work wheels, I'm gonna post a video up right here to show the official wheel reveal. Drop a comment and a like if you guys haven't done so already for that video. And with that being said, also, if you guys have not done so either for today's video, please make sure you guys drop a like button. And if this is your guys' first time, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm Lance, I'm from Hawaii. I say it all the time. The dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with cars. and hopefully we can build this channel to be something really huge and put Hawaii on the map. So if you guys can do so, subscribe to the channel, hit your post notifications, drop a like for this video, and just cause if you guys are from Hawaii and watching this video, drop it down in the comments on what good foods that you guys should be eating when you guys come to Hawaii. Or if you guys are not from Hawaii, drop a comment down below and name one food that you guys want to try that we have here in Hawaii. And then maybe we have a trickle of the comments. I'll be like, ooh, that's good, that's not good, you should try this. And you guys know that I try to comment on all of you guys' comments, and I try to engage with you guys as much as possible. So it'll really help. We want to grow this channel, guys, put Hawaii on the map. Unfortunately, since I have to work tonight, these tires are going to be sitting just fine next to the wheels. Hopefully we're gonna get these on. Honestly, I haven't even looked at the wheels ever since we ceramic coated the car, or ceramic coated the wheels, I should say. From what I was told, that you let the wheels cure a lot more with the ceramic coating, it's gonna pop a lot more. So it's kind of like opening new wheels when we like take out the wheels to mount it on the tires. But I'm excited for that. After all of this is done, all the wheels and tires I kind of want to test out the new front, or the new-ish OEM front axle replacement that we did. You guys can tell we have the old one sitting right there. That one is all just in shambles already, guys, but we have a new one already installed. I haven't actually took the car out yet and actually spun the wheels and to get the thing going, just to see how it feels. After we get all of the rest of the bolt-on parts, we're gonna go to the dyno, and then that's it. Once it's done at the dyno, we're sending it to paint, and we can hopefully bring the car out and, you know, just chill with you guys here in Hawaii. Unfortunately, I can't come out to meets in the mainland, but again, you guys know the dream is to maybe send the car out to SEMA. Like, that's like the biggest goal right there. It's just to have a car built in my garage, and then maybe one day send it out to SEMA. Because again, this is the Charge Speed Geiki Soku wide body kit. Well, you guys can't tell now because it's not showing, but if you guys go back to my last videos, or all my previous videos, you guys kind of have an idea of how it looks like. Third one in the US, only one in Hawaii. So support your boy. Again, subscribe to the channel. So last thing, all we have is wheels, tires, full bolt-on parts, E85 if I can source E85 here. If not, I'm just gonna run pump and then do E85 later on down the line. So that, dyno, and paint. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I just made it super short just to give you guys an update on where the car is going. I'm like super excited. I opened the garage to grab the mail, and then next thing you know, I see my tires, and I was like, wow. I was super tired until I saw the tires. So I'm awake now, got everything settled. That's the update for you guys on the build. Also, I really want to do some island rides with some people that I hit up, but unfortunately, again, with the weather here in Hawaii, it's been really bad. So that kind of got pushed back, but yeah, still making content for you guys. A lot of stuff for the GTR. We're slowly getting there. We're slowly getting everything set up for finishing the build. I'm super excited. I thank you guys so much for following me along this journey. It's literally been, March 5th actually marked 1 year of me being on YouTube, and even though this channel is really small, we've amassed about 1,600 subscribers. And for all you 1,600 subscribers, I really thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And for all you new guys, better subscribe. And for whenever you guys are watching this video at this point, maybe we'll have a lot more subscribers by then, but I really thank all of you guys that watch my videos. I thank you guys so much. I'm just a dude here in Hawaii on a small little island surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, and you know, it's just fun making vlogs. And with that being said, I hope you guys follow along with the GTR build and many more builds to come. And like how I always end my videos, remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards. Peace.